Hi, good evening. I am Sasikar. I hope everyone is doing well. This video is regarding the settings to be verified for tomorrow's quiz session. So I will give you some instructions just to verify the settings which are already framed in the quiz setup. So first you can log into your VLAN account. So after logging into your VLAN, in the courses tab, you just find your concerned course. It may be in either in progress tab or future or in past tab. So in my login, it is under past. So just navigate to the page where you can find your course. So I am handling basic electronics engineering for SOEC A section. So just to open that course. So in the course page, we created number of activities. So among the number of activities, you can click the unit test 2 activity. That's going to be the quiz. We know that. So after clicking that activity UT2, you just move on to the settings. So you just click the edit settings on this UT2 page. So it's showing you the general tab first. Here the name is unit test 2 and the description. So if you want, you can go through the descriptions written under this description tab. The main thing need to be verified are timings, grade, etc, etc. I will show you one by one. So just to ensure that by logging in your course, just to verify that all the timing grades are perfectly matched to the requirement. So that time based on your section, okay, based on your section, you can go for verifying the time period, that is opening of quiz and closing time of the quiz. We know that for SOEC A section to SOEC F section, the timing is from 11 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. So you just ensure that this is set to 11 and here set to 11, here this is 00, this is 40 to represent 11:40, and the time limit set for each and every section is 20 minutes. So in the time limit field, just ensure that 20 is there or not, and then when time expires, okay, so this field should be open attempts are submitted automatically. So please be ensure that it is showing open attempts are submitted automatically. The main thing is open the quiz and close the quiz section. So it is 16 May 2020, here also 16 May 2020. Start time is 11 a.m, end time is 11:40 a.m. and next to timing, the grade. So in the grade tab, we have 4 more options, okay. Grade category, just leave it as uncategorized. The grade to pass, nothing to modify this one, leave it 00. Then here we need to verify, okay, number of attempts allowed should be 1, okay. If it is other than 1 or unlimited, please be change this to 1, okay. So attempts allowed should be 1, okay. So just ensure this one. And coming to layout field, we have new page. Here you can keep every question in a single page, okay. If you are clicking this, you can have number of options, okay, what manner you are going to display the questions on the quiz page. Every question, that is single question or 2 questions per page or 3 questions, etc, etc. So keep it as every question. If it is not in every question, then you can go for selecting this every question from the drop down list. So be ensure that this should be every question. Then question behavior, nothing to do with this question behavior. This is shuffle with questions should be yes, and how questions behave, it's a deferred feedback. If it is showing other than deferred feedback, make it deferred feedback. Then coming to the review options, this is an important what you can say, important parameter to be verified. So if you are taking this review option section, this first 2 columns should be unticked, okay. First 2 columns, okay, during the attempt immediately after the attempt, you just untick all the boxes and you can keep marks and overall feedback for the third column and fourth column. Okay, so just to keep these two as enabled, marks and overall feedback. Other things should be unticked. So this is very important. So to untick all these options, you just untick this the attempt tab. Okay, so automatically all will be disabled except this marks and overall feedback. So be ensure that these first two columns should be unticked. In the third and fourth column, two fields are going to be in ticked condition, others are unticked. Next to review option, the appearance. So in the appearance, we have two fields. Show the user's pictures. There should be no image, and decimal places in grades. Just keep two decimal places in grades, and you just click on this show more button. You will be displaying with two more options. In the two more options, you just read this last one. Okay, show blocks during quiz attempts. Make it as yes. If it is in no, kindly make it yes. Then no need to do anything with extra restrictions on attempts and overall feedback. Then this common module settings, just to ensure that the availability field should be show on course page. Okay, if it is hidden or hide from students, you just change it to show on course page. ID number, these three columns or three fields, you just leave it as it is. Then the next important setting to be verified is restrict access. So before the time period that is scheduled for the concerned sections, we need to restrict the students to open the quiz. Otherwise they will know about the questions framed for the quiz session. So just verify this too. This is again based on the sections. Okay, for SOEC A to F, for SOEC A to F, we know that the starting time of the quiz session is 11 a.m. So just to open or just to give the access to the students 10 minutes before the start of the quiz, that is 10:50. So you just ensure that this time is 10:50 for SOEC A to F, and for SOEC G to M, it is 11:30, and for SOMC all sections, that is A to F, it is 12:10 p.m. So just ensure that the timings are as per our schedule. So since this is SOEC A, hence I prefer this 10:50 a.m. because the quiz is going to start for this section students at 11 a.m. So 10 minutes before I am giving the access to the students, so they can use this 10 minutes time period to read the instructions given for this quiz session. At last you can save and return to course. Before that, I forgot to tell you one thing. In the timing field for SOMC, you know that. Okay, for SOMC this should be 12:20. Okay, this should be 12:20 to 12:50. 12, wait, so for SOMC, sorry, it is 12:20 p.m. to 1 p.m. So it should be 12:20 to 1 p.m. in 24 hours format. Just set 13.00, so it is equivalent to 1 p.m. we know that. So for SOMC A to F, you just keep this time in this timing field. So I'm changing now this to 11 to 11:40, since this is for SOECA. Okay, so after verifying these things, just click the save and return to course tab. This will take you to the course page. Again we need to do one more verification. Again you can click UT2 tab, then go to this settings icon, and from the drop down list you can select edit quiz, or you can don't press edit quiz, you can press the preview button. So after clicking the preview button, you will be displayed with this page. So you just scroll down to the bottom. Here we have a hint, okay, it's a timed quiz, and the quiz has a time limit of 20 minutes, and just go through these things. Then you can press the start attempt button. This will take you to the quiz. So you can get the preview like this when you are trying to attempt the quiz. The important thing is don't select any answer from the answer section. So just do the preview of the quiz questions by clicking the next page button, or you can directly move to the particular question by clicking the question number in the quiz navigation pane. So I am selecting the 8th question. So the 8th question will be displayed on my screen, and if you want to move to the 5th question, then you can press directly the 5th question, so you can read the questions. Okay, this is for verification purpose only, so don't select any answer and don't submit this quiz. So directly after verifying these things, directly you can click this UT2. So if you are clicking that one, the summary of your previous attempts are showing like this. Okay, state and review. Under the state field we have in progress, and don't press this continue the last preview. Continue the last preview, that's more than enough, and you will be displayed with the start time and end time of the quiz just above the summary of your previous attempts. So the number of attempts allowed is equal to 1. The quiz will not be available until Saturday 16th May 2020 11 AM, and the quiz will close at Saturday 16th May 2020 11:40 AM. Total time limit is 20 minutes. So it will be displayed with this kind of settings. So that's all about the verification process. So I am requesting all the faculties to do this 2-step verification, and if you have any doubt you can call me. Once you verified everything and everything is fine, you just reply me by sending a message. Okay, no issue or no problem like that to my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you guys.